Greetings colleagues, today I want us to incorporate the three tools, my SDLR, Notebook LM, as well as code. Right colleagues, let's go to part 3 of the mind map that we created. There it is. We are looking at anticyclone circulation. What is it? High pressure cell, South Atlantic high, South Indian, Kalahari, and it is moved to the climate. The climate relief factor, altitude, temperature, and plateau. The rain and vegetation, what is going on there? It's west 200 to 400 millimeters vegetation type that is found there. There they are. What it gives you structured question from the PDF document. So there it is, 1 to 12. So you can be able to say next. Then learners can be able to work on the quiz. There it is, next, number 2. Then if you click any, you could be able to, it will tell you whether it's the right answer or not. Then it tells, so you can move to the next. Also on that one, you can be able to check the flashcards. Let's check on the flashcards. There they are. It gives you something like 60 of them. So under the flashcard, you can be able to see the answers underneath. So this can also help you to brainstorm questions with the learners and be able to play along the answers for each and every topic that you can come up with. On infographics, how to generate. You click on infographics, it's generating. There it is, already generated. Let's check how interesting this part is. It will generate an infographics. Check on this particular infographic. Very, very, very beautiful. Geographic. So also can be able to download this one. So it is downloading, and you can be able to open that particular picture and send it to your learners.